Hey guys, Will here in the freezing Georgia cold. This is the duplex we just closed on it, and we're starting the renovation, so I thought we'd do a quick walkthrough with you. First thing we did here is board up the windows. We're gonna have tools inside, other things, so never be afraid to do this, especially if you're gonna replace the windows anyway, it's worth it. So this is a duplex with 2 identical units, so we'll just walk you through the main things that we have to do on each side. So as you can see, we already started working in here. We've patched the ceiling drywall. Other than that, this room's a total disaster, so it's gonna be a full renovation. So in these rooms, the main thing we really need to do is floor, paint, doors, and then add in new light fixtures. So this room should be pretty straightforward. Should take us pretty much no time. So in the bathroom, we went ahead and redid the subfloor, redid the drywall, and put in a tub. Obviously, it's from the ground up, so we have a lot more to do in here. So in the kitchen here, this is a full renovation. We went ahead and replaced the subfloor. Still need to put in the cabinets, base, sink, appliances, and water heater. So this is gonna be really where we have to do a lot of work. So we're back at the duplex that we finished renovating. Obviously you can see we put in new windows, new roof, the whole inside's new, so I just wanted to show it to you guys real quick before we get it rented out tomorrow. So going in, this thing had all the wires ripped out, everything was gone, so we had to do the whole thing from the ground up. You can see it's all brand new. Got to get rid of these cabinets, but everything else is pretty much ready to go. We have a guy moving in tomorrow morning. So the kitchen's all contractor grade, straight from Home Depot. Super simple, but all brand new, and the tenants should really like it. So the bedroom's all brand new, new paint, new floors, really comfortable. So these bathrooms, once again, totally contractor grade, super simple, but all brand new. So we're really happy with how this one came out. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave it below. Otherwise, follow us on georgiapeachproperties.com or just follow us here on YouTube. But thanks so much.